He's down.
Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Airsoft video. Now today I have quite a fun video for you. I take a pretty painful shot to the face, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Before we jump in, I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you guys. As you may or may not know, last week we did launch my official website, MattTheMusketeer.com. It is linked in the top line of the description. And we sold out of all my merch, patches and stickers in the first 20 minutes. So I want to thank all of you guys who did buy something. For all you guys who didn't manage to and did want to, the shop is now completely restocked with pre-orders. So if you want patches or stickers, go ahead there, the link is in the description below. So today, continuing from last week's gameplay video, we are back down at the mill in Wigan. This is First and Only's brand new CQB site. I was there with my teammates from Cold Spear and Jacob from Stag's Head Airsoft. Now in this game mode, one team started on the top floor and one team started on the ground floor, and both teams moved through the building trying to find and capture an objective. But that of course meant we were going to get a lot of stalemates and bottlenecks on staircases and ramps.
He's down.
Sorry, that's crossing.
Yeah, I'm up. They're down, they're down. There's a window, I'm shooting through a window to the next bit. See him?
Now from this position here, we have the enemy team pretty well locked down. We can shoot down the stairs and to the staircase to the left hand side, and through the window to the connecting corridor.
He's down, he's down. He's down, that's two. Oh no, maybe not. Oh no, no. Now he is. Say it, yeah. Now he's down.
He didn't show us hit, did he?
No, he didn't.
Oh, hit! Shot.
Oh, mag out, mag out. He's down. He's down. Weapon, gun hit. Oh, gun hit again.
Now at First and Only sites, your gun doesn't count as part of your body, so if your gun takes a hit, you simply shout gun hit and carry on with the fight.
Hit! Oh, right on the nose. That's me shredded.
So as you can see there, quite a painful shot to the side of the nose, which was actually made by a subscriber of mine who came and said hello at the event. Now recently I've had a lot of questions from guys asking, Matt, why do you no longer wear a mask? And with clips like this, they will no doubt say that's probably why you should wear a mask. Now recently, myself and the team have been using skirmish events as a chance to train and practice with the equipment we'll be using at larger events like milsims. And as the saying goes, you train as you fight. So if we're using this as training, we need to use the exact same equipment and the same layout of equipment we'll be using at larger events. And of course that means not wearing a mask. So after holding this location for a while, we decided to move on, back up the ramp behind us, and take out enemy players who'd made it up the stairs onto the level above.
Cross it. Yeah. Yeah. I see him. Got him, got him.
So that clip there, and pretty much these next few clips, are great examples again to show how laser accurate this gun really is. And again, I've had a lot of questions about the build of this gun, so I have put a whole page together on my website, MattTheMusketeer.com, on the gear section that discusses all of the equipment and the build of this gun entirely. So if you have any questions or interest in any of that, the link to all the equipment you see me running in today's video is on that page, linked in the description below. Now, as this gameplay section here is playing out, I quickly want to mention, in the near future, I am going to be doing a question and answer video. So if you want to leave all your questions down in the comment section below, that will be really helpful. I will be giving shout outs to all of the questions that I pick, and maybe some of the really good ones may win themselves some stickers. So if you do have any questions for a question and answer video, leave those down in the comment section below.
Two down, two down. Player, are you alive? Can you medic the guy behind you? Can you grab him? I'll cover you. Yellow. Oh, he's yellow, he's yellow. He's hit. Right, it's a guy, I got him. My go!
One that's fired.
He's hit, he's hit. Right, ready? He's done.
So that about wraps up the fighting for today's video. I do want to leave you with just this little funny ending clip here. Of course, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. As I said, all your questions for a question answer would be appreciated. And of course, as I said at the start, if you are wanting yourself any patches or stickers, they are now up for pre-order, including the limited edition patches on the website, which is linked in the description below. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.